Sun-kissed and embracing absolute privacy. Welcome to number 3 Azalea Gardens in Wahroonga, a 4-bedroom home that's all about relaxed family living. A private drive sweeps you into complete tranquility, and given the north to rear aspect, the entire home is bathed in sunshine. Undergoing an extensive renovation, the property is immaculate in every sense of the word, and this outdoor entertaining space is every family's dream. Flanked by established landscaping, you have immense privacy. The pool, the cabana, the fire pit, it's all been considered, and you can just imagine endless summers entertaining. The functional floor plan offers multiple living zones, and winters will be extra cosy gathered round the open wood fireplace. All 4 bedrooms have built-in robes, but the master is extra luxurious with a walk-in robe, and its ensuite is one of 2 stunning marble bathrooms. There is a wine cellar and double lock-up garage, and you can leave the cars at home as it's just a stroll to Hampden Avenue shops. Plus, you're surrounded by prestigious schools. I am told this position is considered the area's blue ribbon enclave, and befitting of such a title, this home is equally spectacular. For further details, please contact Thomas Merriman or Mark Easton.